Welcome back, designer. Today I'll show you how to create this checkbox animation in Figma. Open Figma and let's get started. First, let's find a suitable icon for our checkbox. I'm using the Hugicons library plugin for this. The icon is ready. Wrap it in a frame, rename it, apply auto layout, and customize our checkbox. Now let's create variants and a component. Hide the visibility of the icon inside and rename our checkbox correctly. This will be the default state. Copy the checkbox and customize it. This is the hover state. Copy it once more, restore the icon visibility, and customize the checkbox. This is the selected state. Select all frames and create a component set. Next, let's create a checkbox list. Add text to our checkbox. Wrap it all in auto layout and set it up correctly. Turn our list into a component set. Now let's test our work. Oh right, I forgot the most important thing. To create the animation, don't be like me, don't forget about it, it works. Almost perfectly, but we can't return the checkbox to its default state because the animation isn't fully configured yet. Let's fix that. Now everything works exactly as it should. Great work, designer. If the video was helpful, leave a like and drop a comment. See you soon.